because the heat was getting too much for us and we had to take a breather. So we can see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to get very uncomfortable soon. Hello everyone, good morning. It's day 2 in Fort Kochi and we are all set and ready now to go and explore Fort Kochi. Today we are going to a place called Jew Town, which is an old Jewish colony out here in Fort Kochi. So we are going to explore that place, and there is a Dutch palace there. So we are going to go there as well. So yeah, let me take you on our trip to Fort Kochi, day 2. So now we are leaving to explore. Momo, say hi.
Hi.
Are you all set and ready for our day 2?
All set and ready for a very hot and warm and humid day.
It's very hot and we have a jam-packed schedule today. So let's see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to get very uncomfortable soon. So we have reached Jew Town now, and we are now inside the Dutch palace. We just came out of the Dutch palace and they don't allow to shoot inside, so we couldn't shoot any videos inside the palace, but it's very pretty. It is a museum and it has the history of the Dutch and Portuguese and British invasions and the Rajas and Maharajas of Kochi. So it was nice, but it's very hot today. So now we will move on and go explore the Jew Town a little bit. So come along. Gallery cum cafe type kiba. Ayo hetu ki bostu.
Orders from us.
Can I make a video of what you are saying?
Yes, please. Now, take a look. The holes you see here is the place where they put the pin,
Okay.
and around the pin they lock it. But in the with the lens you can see that it is a single thread goes a single line, isn't it? But it is not single thread. It is 3 thread pinning, one line. You can't see with this. First you click with the mobile and soon you will see the secret with the best clarity now. A little more now. And look at the back.
Yes, so beautiful.
So we have many designs, fancies, roses.
What work is this, uncle?
Herringbone stitches. It's a Portuguese.
It's a Portuguese work.
I will show you the color, so you will have an idea.
And everything is done by hand, na?
Yeah.
I cannot believe it, man. That's why I'm asking you again.
I was thinking you were asking sometimes in between 1 hour, half an hour is it?
It's difficult to believe that everything that it is done by hand. So nice.
And look at the back.
This is the back?
Yes. Which you see the thread.
That's so pretty.
Herringbone stitches.
Herringbone stitches.
And here you will see the drawn thread work. And this is Spanish.
Spanish work?
Different work is there. And also this is the same work, another design.
Different design.
Orchid. Can you see?
No, uncle, it's okay. We'll hassle you out
And you
anyway.
asked, I think, for napkins.
So we just came out of that beautiful shop of hand embroidery, which was something I haven't seen in my life before. It was so pretty. And now we are going to the synagogue. We are going to the synagogue.
but today's synagogue is closed.
Okay.
Today's
We'll-
Shabbat.
Shabbat. We'll see it from the outside.
Yeah,
won't it?
sure. Yes.
Yeah.
Also, you can see.
So now we are at the synagogue. This one, right?
No, the left.
So we are done exploring Jew Town and Dutch Palace and the markets. There are a lot of antique shops here. It's a nice area to walk around and look at the. It's a nice area to walk around and look at the shops selling antique stuff and handcraft and stuff. So, Momo, did you like the Jew Town visit?
Yes.
It's very hot.
but
Yeah, it's very hot, very hot. So now we are heading to a place to have our lunch. So let's go. Manu নাই যে রিসেপশনত. So we are here at this beautiful hotel called Old Harbour Hotel for our lunch. It's a very pretty old Dutch building. Let me show you the property a little bit. Very tastefully done, no? Sasu? So we just got done with our lunch and now we are off exploring Fort Kochi again. We had a very nice lunch of seafood pasta and some masala squid in Kerala style masala. And now we are going to David Hall. I don't know what that will be like, so let's just go and see for ourselves. Oh, pizza pai acha. It is 1665 ate bonwa. Okay guys, we had to come into the hotel after going to David Hall because the heat was getting too much for us and we had to take a breather. So we came back to our hotel and now we are ready again to go and watch a Kathakali performance. So we have booked our tickets for that. So let's go watch a Kathakali performance. I'm sure it will be amazing. The heat here is like dangerous. Oh my god, it's so hot out here. It only gets like pleasant in the evening at around 4:30 to 5, and after that it's quite easier to walk around. Otherwise it gets so hot in the daytime. reached. I think this is it. The form of Kathakali dance. This is a story. It's quite a small gully to reach. Okay, this way. Isn't this it, Mamu? Oh. Alright. It's written there. Kerala Kathakali Center. Let's go in. The stone comes in this green, orange,
No,
yellow.
it's actually yellow.
Okay, it's yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
And then
And-
how it becomes.
Yeah, for green we add a indigo color, like it's from a plant, the indigo color.
Indigo,
So when yellow mixed with indigo, we get the green.
Oh.
And for red, we have the red stone.
Then you have red and yellow stone.
Yeah.
And then you use the primary color, make
Yes.
different colors.
And for black, we use the coal, burning lamp
Yeah.
coal. Small sticks. It's not a brush. It's like this broom, like the coconut leaf. We are not using any brush, and we are not using any sponge. We are using our hands.
So the entire thing, like even the makeup is part of the performance.
Yeah. Because the techniques are kind of different. Like we are not using any artificial kind of brushes. So this one, he's doing it's called chutti. The process is called chutti. So he's using rice paste.
Okay. Right.
So-
This white one is rice
Yeah, rice
paste.
paste. So after that, he'll be applying like fitting 3 papers
Okay.
in a particular shape, and the rice paste is mixed with tuna, a slime,
Tuna,
yeah,
yes,
lime.
yes.
Lime.
So it will act like a glue.
Glue to hold it.
Okay.
So you don't use anything artificial. Quite impressive.
Take me on to the place I belong, West Virginia. I'm out of my mind. Take me on country roads, everybody. Country roads. Take me on to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Hello and good morning, you guys. Today is our last day. Actually, we are leaving today from Kochi. Last night we got so tired after watching that Kathakali performance. We went for our dinner and then we came back and slept. Like, we were so tired because it's so hot, you get tired so easily. And today we are going for our breakfast now, and then we are going to leave. Yes, sad day. But every holiday, every vacation comes to an end, as we all know. Nevertheless, you guys, thank you for watching my videos, and if you like them, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. And if you want to know any specific details, please leave a comment, I'll reply to them. Okay then, see you in my next vlog. Bye.